Okay, so guys, you're welcome to this channel. Thank you very much for clicking on this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Like the video and also share the videos to your friend. If you have any question, just let me know in my comment section. Yeah, so those saying that the first video didn't help them, I'm going to teach you a different trick or a different way which is going to help you. I mean, with the shadow fight to, login problem. So if you are finding it difficult to still log in, what you have to do is to go to the settings, the phone settings. Yeah. So when you go to your phone settings, search for apps and notifications. When you search for apps and notification, it will it will open like this. When it opens like this, you have to wait for some while for it to load. It's loading the apps. My apps are a lot. My apps are almost more than the apps. More, my apps are more than 300. So it takes some minutes before you hear. So now, boom, it have been um, it is now complete. So click on see all apps. So when you click on see all the apps are going to load. Just um, scroll down to S column. That's where you're going to find the Shadow Fight 2 app. So as you guys can see over here, you can also search over here, but I prefer this one. So click on this. So when you click on it, come and click on the clear cache. Also clear your storage. Go back and also click on the force stop. After that, what you have to do is to search for Google Gameplay or Google Play Game. As you guys can see on my screen, I do not have that app. So what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store to download that mobile app. So type in Google. So when you type in Google, then search Google. No. So when you type in Google Game Play. Okay, Google Game Play Service. So searching it, this is the app. So click on it. When you click on it, it will load like this. Then you will install it. So when you see this app, click on the install button to install this app. So when you install this app, what you have to do is to go to your settings. So when you go to your settings, then you click so when you get to your settings, what you have to do is to search for the Google Gameplay Service app. When you search for it, you are going to see it. When you see it, click on it and also clear the cache, clear storage, and also force stop. Click on the force stop option and start the game. You are going to see that everything is going to work for you, easy and simple. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you've learned a lot from this video. Thank you very much. See you in my next video, but please wait. Click on the subscribe button, like the video, type anything in my comment section, maybe your name, or if you have any problem, let me know in my comment section, because I'm here to serve you guys. To get me, I'm here to serve you all. I really love all of you, so please subscribe, like the video, share the video to your friends, because I can see that a lot of people are finding it difficult to do this, or to follow up this. You get me? So this is how to fix Shadow Fight 2 game login problem. So if you are finding it difficult to log in to your Shadow Fight 2 game, this is how to fix it. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and I appreciate you guys. I really love you guys. Keep on watching my videos, keep on sharing my videos, and also keep on supporting me. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day, and also see you in my next video.